Good afternoon, my friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. By the way, I just arrived from Stanley. I had my fishing there and I got 15 big fish. So, yeah, so I put already my fish in my fridge. Yeah, here. My fridge here. Small one and the big one here. Mm. And right now, I'm cooking my lunch. By the way, the time is already 3:30, so I have not yet taken my breakfast and lunch. But anyway, so this is it. I just heated my rice there, my rice, and I'll be cooking my my bayan spring roll. Yeah, yeah, spring roll. Mm. I have to put this slowly in the oil because it's still, it's still. Ah, uh, I have to make it slow. Basically, I have to put this uh, two. Yeah, so that it will be cooked well, the inside of my spring roll. And also, I have here the paksiw. Yeah, very nice. I cooked this yesterday. Yeah. So I'm hungry already. So what I did is I just ate first, but this this fruit. I have this apple. Yeah, beautiful apple. Yeah, this one here. This is very tasty. Very tasty. Now I have to put my rice there at the table and watching TV while eating. By the way, at 5:30 will be my mass, and that is why I have to be in a hurry so that I could go immediately to the church and then prepare the things that needed to be prepared there. Yeah. I'm happy that I got a lot, at least 15 fish, mackerel, and one silver trevally. Yeah, also I got one parrot. Anyway, so excluding the excluding the what's this parrot and the silver trevally, I got 15 mackerel. Yeah. I'm planning to go back there this afternoon, but I don't know if I can go there because the sisters are coming here this afternoon, so I have to wait for them. So if they will come late, so well, I will not go there. I will not go there. Maybe there's some other times. But Sunday, tomorrow, I will be going to King Island, so I cannot have my fishing tomorrow in Stanley. So anyway, I have a lot of fish inside my fridge. So by the way, I don't really eat my fish that I got, but I usually give this fish to my friends, especially to Mommy Agnes, because every now and then when I go to King Island, I have to leave my car in her house, and then yeah, so she cooks food for me, every morning. I mean, before every time I go there, she cooks food for me, and so that is why I have also to give something for her. Yeah, as a kind of thanksgiving of what she has doing or she is doing for me. Yeah, and also this afternoon, um, hopefully people will be coming to attend the mass. Last Sunday there were only 15 people attending the mass, Saturday mass. Yeah. Oh, you have to be very careful with this. Yeah. 5. I increased the heat to 5. There. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. I have to get my. Hold on. I need to get my paksiw now. I need A plate. I need a plate. Nah, I'll just use this one anyway. I'll just use one here. I will use this one. I really love the taste of my paksiw. Very tasty. Oh, I love it. By the way, nagbuhat ko og kanang kuan. Ganing tinai, gihimo na kong ginamos. Pagkalamia, uy, sami kastanan. I ate it yesterday and yeah, gamay na lang nahabilin. Gamay na lang nahabilin kay grabe na kong kaon. Oh, yeah. So, mulihok lang ta dire, mabuhi naman gyud ta, makakaon man gyud ta. No, basta mulihok lang ta, dili ta magtinapulan. So, makasave ta og money. Yeah, makasave tag money kay di naman ta mo palit og kuan isda, di naman ta palit og sudan kay na may sudan. Yeah, but you know, I don't usually cook. But the Filipinos, especially si Ate Lizzie ug si pinangga mo kay kong Ate Lizzie gud. Si Ate Lizzie ug ni Ate Joy, sila gid mag tawag nako nga ato tang kaon ari ta diri sa balay kay mga unta. So yeah. So good kay nga ay mga Filipino diri nga sa akong parokya ba nga ni take care pud nako ba, in spite sa akong mga shortcomings, pero naaya po sila nag-support nako. Thank you very much for those people who are supporting me, ni Ate Lizzie, ni Ate Joy, ni Mami Carmen, ni Mami Merma. Si Mami Merma po grabe kay nitabang nako gid nga maka sustain ko sa ako ang service diri sa parokya nako. Di na ako na-assign sa St. Peter Chanel. So, mamaak man. So, by the way, so mga untaon niya. Hapit ako mahuman sa ko ang luto. Then, after this, magkaon ko sa kong lunch. Ako lang taon o sa diri. Then, after sa kong pagkaon, mo rest kong kadiyot. Then, mato na po ko sa simbahan, preparing the things that needed or things that are needed for the mass. Yeah. So I am here right now in my little kitchen. This is my little kitchen. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Little kitchen, but you know, okay lang kay after man usagod. After usa so nindot kay tanan. Kanang ikara mag-inusara ba kay you can do whatever you like. And then kanang makapamalandong ka, makabuhat ka sa unsay gusto nimo. Nga ang planning gani karon nga coming back here after Lenten season, mag-concentrate asad ko sa ako ang kanang paintings kay winter time naman, so deserve kay mag-fishing tugnaw man. Yeah, so mag-painting na sad ko. Mamaak man eh. Uy. Oops. Papamaluto siguro, no? Yeah. So hopefully ang sa inyong pagtan-aw ni ining ako ang video ma-inspired mo nga mo pasad ka ng magbuhat mo sa inyong kalingon nga magbuhat mo ka ng video ba, personal niyo nga video niya inyong i-post sa YouTube kay daghan man pod ang ma-inspired. Yeah. So tomorrow early morning. Yeah, by the way, backward ay ang oras ugma no kay ko naman sani bag-o na sad ang schedule, bag-o na sad ang time. So instead of 9, i-8 na pod ang 8 na pod kay backward man. Kay winter naman siya, so magsugod na winter, so backward na sad ang time. Anyway, I have to sleep early tonight and then wake up early in the morning so that I may not be late in coming to Stanley for the 8:30 mass. Then after, no, I don't have mass tomorrow in Stanley because I will be going to King Island. So the mass here will be done in St. Peter Chanel at 9 o'clock in the morning. So that would be, kung mag-backward ta, 8 o'clock na po na siya. Anyway, so mauna ang live tamo din sa Australia mga igsoon. Alipayon kay ko diri kay, you know, I can do whatever I like. And pagtabang sa uban, pagtabang sa parokya, although dili tanang mga tao na kanang magustuhan ka kay na kay mga plano unya dili sila siguro kanang mabaghuan sila mo na nga dili kay sila makahatag og suporta sa kanang parokya, but then even then mupadayon yun sa kabaghuan ba kanang change sa parokya kay aron naay improvement, naay kanang naay kausaban, at the same time mutubo pud ang parokya diin ang pari na assign. Okay, so just pray for us mga pari kay lisod ba kayo ang mga pari lang ba kanang silang kaugalingon dili biya ni makabarog ug wala ang mga pag-ampo. That is why we need your prayers. Okay, we need your prayers. Yeah, pampod ang mga ang mga struggles namo, no, mga tao biya may mga anghel mo na nga nanginahanglan po mi og suporta sa inyong mga pag-ampo sa inyong mga pagdasig namo nga mopadayon mi sa mo ang bukasyon pagkapari kay dili biya sayon, dili lalim, no, dili lalim ang puyo sa kinabuhi nga pagkapari kay there is always that challenge to live a holy life, a challenge to really follow the footsteps of Jesus Christ. Look at here. It's cooked already. Hopefully lami na kayo siya sa ilawlong. Yeah. Pagdalami ani. So Filipino food. Ang paksiw Filipino food. Yeah. Wabi ako mamahaw mga igsuon. Kaya ni diretso mangugo. Usually I don't eat sa may breakfast when I have my mass in the morning. So mo na nga di sa gid ko mukaon mo na only after my mass diha na ko mukaon kay gamay pud nga puasa ba, sakripisyo gamay aron ma-purify ang kalag, no, ang intention sa tao sa pari mo na nga mo ni atong buhaton sa kanunay. So hopefully sa inyong pagtan-aw karon nining akong video ma-inspired mo unya nga magbuhat og inyong kaugalingon pud nga video aron ma-post ninyo sa YouTube. Kay daghan man pud ang mga tao nga sa inyong pagtan-aw, sa ilang pagtan-aw sa tuong mga videos, ma-inspired pud sila and at the same time makadasig pud sa bang mga tao nga mupadayon sa kinabuhi in spite sa mga trials and difficulties nga ato ang magian sa kinabuhi. So once again, brothers and sisters, this is Father Chris Mendoza telling you, let us serve the Lord with joy and gladness and all the days of our life. And mga unta. Sige, God bless you us all. Amen.